Okay, we've got another feature to Instagram. This is called Instagram Reels. It already comes up in your profile, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually make your own Instagram Reels.
Veena V.
Hello, my beautiful happiness hustler. My name's Veena V and I make video easy so you can focus on your purpose, passion, and actually making a profit. Let's get straight to my phone and I'm going to show you this brand new Instagram feature. Okay, so first off, we are going to go into the Instagram app. Make sure your app is updated. Before I show you how to create a reel, let me show you down here all the different options. You should have this on your profile now. Can you see I've already uploaded a reel, which is here. And I know that's a reel because it's got this kind of YouTube style logo in the corner there. So let me go through the different options with you. So we're currently on the Instagram feed, and this is what everyone sees as soon as they start following you, when they come and check out your profile. This is what they'll be presented with. The next one along, this one is Instagram TV. As you can see, I'm not really utilizing that feature. Now, next to IGTV, you have got your Instagram Reels. So I uploaded this video, I think it was an hour or two ago, and we can see it's had 145 views. So if we click onto this, this is my Instagram Reel video, which, as you can see, I've just uploaded from TikTok. So I downloaded my 15-second TikTok video and then I have uploaded it onto Instagram Reels. Slightly cheating, but it saves me a heck load of time. I will be making original content from Instagram Reels at some point, but just to give you an idea, you can take existing videos you've got and upload it to Reels. Right, let's do this. So first off, we are going to click on our profile. Then we are going to click on the blue button at the top. Woo, okay, let me just change the situation of my face so I'm not like this. Right, okay, so as you can see, we've got stories at the bottom and Reels. So what you're going to do is click on Reels. Now on the Reels option, can you see we've got audio up there? We've got different speeds. You can record your video. We've got an effects button. And we've also got a timer. Now, why that timer button is really important is because if you need to prepare yourself, so you want to put the timer button on here. I don't know if this is going to work, 'cause I'm screen recording, but say we wanted to put a timer. So select how long you want the clip to be, 15 seconds. And if we put set timer, can you see it should do us a countdown when I press that button there. So let's see if that works. There we go. 3, 2, 1. So I didn't realise that you can't hear me, but what I'm basically saying is that the progress bar at the top shows you how much time you've got remaining to record your Instagram Reels video. Can you see? And now I can actually change position. Say if I wanted to go and have a little walk. Let's go and have a little walk. And I heard a bee up here, so I'm scared there's a bee here. But say if I just wanted to chill out by my sunflowers now. So all I do now is press the button again. And here we go. You can't hear me again, but I'm probably just chatting nonsense anyway. But can you see again that progress bar is nearly at 15 seconds and it's over. Bang. There we go. That was 15 seconds long. Now can you see it's processing? This may take a little bit longer because we were recording the screen. There we go. Look. And we're recording our Instagram Reels. Can you see at the top? It's counting down how much time you've got. Remember, an Instagram Reel is 15 seconds. It's gone. Remember, I clicked on the speed button, so it speeded it up. But look, if you're already on TikTok, very similar to TikTok, not as advanced as TikTok. Let me pause that. Hold on. Let me put my volume down so you can actually hear what I'm saying. Right. Now, so we've now made our 15-second Instagram Reel. This now looks like an Instagram story. Can you see? We've got the text icon here, so I can write some text. Hey. So can you see? We've got the hey. We can put another little text somewhere. Woo! I'm just going to put some random. We can change the colour of the text as well. Can make it bigger, make it smaller. And let me put that in there. And I can have a colour. Obviously, I would not do this, but I'm just showing you some really quick things you can do. There is a lot you can do on Instagram Reels. I would suggest that you have a little play with it. Just like Instagram stories, after you've done your reel, you can also edit your clip. So can you see here? I'm scrolling like this. If I messed up at the end of my video, I can just drag this. Say if I didn't want any of that bit by the sunflower, there, and I stop it there. Now, when I press, this button is going to delete all of that. So if I press that, oh, there we go. Right, now we have done our reel. This is a really quick start tutorial. If you want me to do a longer one, just comment below and I can really do an in-depth Instagram reel tutorial for you. Right, first thing, we want to add a cover to our Instagram reel. So I might want to, let's say if I wanted, let's get one of at least of me smiling rather than putting random faces. Right, we can't find one. Let's just say, there we go, a bit of a cheesy. Or what you can also do is add from gallery. So say I was like, oh, I can't find a decent cover for this Instagram reel. All I need to do is go add from gallery. Oh, and if by magic, we've got a lovely little picture there. So I'm going to use that one instead and we're going to click done. Much better. Now we want to put in a caption. So let's pretend I was teaching you, I don't know, 10 YouTube tips for beginners. Remember to put your hashtags in. You can do up to 30. So I might want to put small business community. I might want to put video marketing in there. So make sure you do use up to your 30 hashtags, okay? Now, this is important because the last Instagram reel I did not want that to show on my profile, but I forgot to toggle this option off. So if you don't want this Instagram reel to go on your Instagram profile, to go on your Instagram feed page, yeah, the feed, we then toggle that off, okay? And then we click on share to reels in Explore, or you can just save it as a draft. Now, what I quickly want to show you to do is, if you've already got a video like me, maybe you're already on TikTok, maybe you've already got loads of 15-second videos and you now finally have a place to put them. This is really simple. I'm going to show you how to upload. Let's go back. Right, this again. Right, so this is the homepage thing again of Instagram Reels. Actually, let's keep on going back because we're not on the... Let's delete that, right? Delete clip, delete. Right, there we go. Okay, so we're on the Reels option again, can you see? So we can toggle to stories again, or we are now in the Reels section. Now, if I want to upload a video, we click down here. And can you see? I've already got a 15-second video. It was less than 15 seconds. I've got a 13-second video here. So I can simply click on it. Click upload. So it's currently uploading because it's doing that little thing. So we are uploading that at the moment. If you've got any questions about Instagram Reels, make sure you comment below this video. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, because I make video easy so you can focus on your purpose, passion, and actually making a profit in your life as well. Right, okay, so that's all done. Now I'm going to click on the arrow button. There we go. There is my video. Again, I can add text to it if I want. I can add stickers. I can add GIFs, all of that stuff. Exactly. I can download it if I want as well. I can scribble. If I want to do a little... Oh, hold on one second. Do a little scribble. Don't know why I would want to do that, but hey-ho. Just want to show you the features. And then once we've made all our changes, if there is any, click on that arrow again. And there we go, we're back to this screen. And there we go, that is your tutorial, your very quick-fire tutorial of Instagram Reels. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you share it with any business owner, coach, or aspiring creator so they can benefit from this brand new Instagram feature called Instagram Reels. Click on that video next and watch it to actually understand the difference between Instagram Stories, Instagram Reel, Instagram Live, and all the other features, and how it could actually benefit you in building a strong brand on social media. And remember, take action today, not tomorrow, because all we have is this present moment. I'll see you in the next video. I love you. Bye.